Hello everybody. Welcome to my channel. If you are searching out a good nice noise cancelling headphone on an ideal budget, then you definitely are watching the right video. In this video, I have fixed the headphones considering the quality, sturdiness, call for, consumer rating, and order and many others. I hope you like my headphone reviews and also you get the pleasant first-rate headphone you need. You could request that the video be watched in full as the video is bigger. All the hyperlinks of the headphone are in the description under the video. Subscribe on my channel and click on the bell to stay up to date with latest technology reviews. So, let's get started with the video. In number 5, the best headset is Kingston HyperX Cloud 2 headset. HyperX is attractive for many reasons, including its modular and comfortable design. Premium build quality, great 7.1 surrounds and stereo sound, and affordable price. It's also great for laptop gamers, since it obviates the need for a dedicated sound card and overall is one of the best headsets I have ever used. Recently this headphone price is $100.44. This headphone has some outstanding features such as it has a 7.1 virtual surround sound system. Truly immerse yourself in your games with hardware-driven virtual 7.1 surround sound for precisely located audio. The solid, durable aluminum frame is built to withstand the blows of daily use. This headphone designed for comfort wearing. Exceptionally comfortable memory foam ear cushions and padded leatherette headband help keep you focused on working. The closed ear cup design blocks out outside distractions to keep you in the game. This headphone has supreme audio quality. Large 53mm drivers provide high-quality audio. Hear in-game details better and get the in-game advantage on your opponents. HyperX Cloud 2 works with both PC and Mac, as well as gaming consoles including the PS4 and Xbox One. You will need a USB connection to take advantage of the sound card and its 7.1 surround sound. The surround sound effect is done through software and large 53mm driver power each earphone. This headphone has a standard 3.5mm connection for 2.0 stereo sound. Or to plug into a USB 7.1 surround sound card and volume control device. The Cloud 2 headset offers you pure hi-fi 53mm drivers, pushing out a frequency response of 15 Hz to 25,000 Hz. In at 4th place, the best headphone is Edifier W860NB Active Noise Cancelling Wireless Headphone. The Edifier W860NB Bluetooth headphones come inside a top-quality presentation box. The Edifier are good budget headphones that perform quite well. They have a good overall audio reproduction, and their active noise cancelling system is quite decent as well. They have a long enough battery life for a full day, and their design is quite comfortable to wear for hours. However, they do feel a bit plasticky, though they aren't quite as cheap as some other headphones in their price range. On the upside, they have a great and easy-to-use control scheme and have surprisingly low latency for Bluetooth headphones. Already this headphone price is $107.99. This headphone has some external features are. The W860NB is a set of a noise-cancelling headphone which decreases outside noise, giving you a chance to make the most of your sound quality. Noise-cancelling headphones utilize an amplifier to listen to surrounding commotion, emits a recurrence that removes outside commotion. This headphone has savvy touch control. Control sound from a basic tap from your headphones without using the connected device. Smart touch controls on the ear cup change the volume and playback. Tap twice to pause and resume a single track. Swipe up and down for volume and swipe left and right to change tracks. In this headphone included clamshell travel case. Keep your headphones safe as you travel. Tossing a couple of headphones into your exercise bag or travel case could conceivably harm your headphones. Which is the reason we incorporate a hard clamshell case. Run a whole day with your very own soundtrack with a battery life of 25 hours of active noise cancelling, persistent playback and 45 hours of wireless-only playback. The 40mm neodymium drivers are secured by artificial leather, accomplishing full-day comfort. Wearing these headphones feels like your ears are secured by a cushion. In number 3, the best headphone is Koen E8 Active Noise Cancelling Headphone. The Koen E7 noise cancelling headphones have satisfied hundreds of thousands of consumers with the competitive value, great sound quality, deep powerful bass, comfortable protein ear pads, long playtime, and advanced active noise cancelling technology. In the E8, you can find an improvement over nearly everything good about the E7, as well as many of the same features that make the E7 popular to begin with. Now, this headphone price is $130.66. There are some standard facilities of this headphone is. It has professional active noise cancelling technology. Active noise cancelling technology significantly reduces noise to help you focus on what you want to hear. ANC works both with and without the audio cable and is great for reducing noise during long trips on a plane or in places with city traffic. It has superior sound quality. The superior sound quality of the E8 is 25% stronger than that of our earlier E7 model. The 100 decibel gives a deep, powerful, and crisp sound, making your overall listening experience just that much better. This headphone upgraded soft ear cushions. The over-ear cushions on the E8 are designed with a 90 degrees rotation axis to help the headphones fit snugly to your head. Our new lightweight cushion material features magnetic absorption, which helps improve comfort and sound quality over long periods of time. It is built-in microphone and Bluetooth. The E8 provides you with a high-quality microphone, making calls with these headphones just that much better. The Bluetooth function supplements this nicely with the ability to detach yourself from wires, giving you the ability to make hands-free calls. Use the buttons on the headphones to turn the volume up and down or to skip a song. Kone E8 headphones have a rechargeable 545 mAh battery. With active noise cancelling or Bluetooth, it has a 20-hour life to it, providing you with almost a full day of listening. Purchasing the headphones provides you with an 18-month warranty. In its second place, the best headphone is SoundMagic HP200 foldable headphone. The HP200 is an open-back circumaural audiophile headphone with large 53mm precision-tuned drivers. With a single-sided replaceable straight cable and pivoting ear cups. The HP200 are audiophile quality headphones for listening to detailed, high-fidelity recordings. The HP200 delivers an expansive soundstage that will satisfy even the most discerning music enthusiast. The full-size ear cups with soft ear pads enclose the ear and are very comfortable to wear for extended listening periods. Recently this headphone price is $147. This headphone has some external features are natural and faithful with the tight and powerful bass response. The HP200 has a superb balance between accuracy and musicality. Offering an expansive soundstage, the large drivers create natural vocalization and lucid treble. The open-back design has a rich mid-range with clear highs, giving exciting and open sound, whilst retaining excellent detail and stereo imaging. The large 53mm drivers of the HP200 deliver precise and balanced hi-fi sound with accurate and textured bass. With top-end sparkle and pretty mids, the HP200 feels quick and solid in their presentation. Equipped with an open-ear cup design, the HP200 has a natural and airy feel with superb resolution, amazing stereo imaging, and a wide sound stage. For easy replacement, the HP200 cable is removable, offering flexibility and serviceability, ensuring this versatile headphone will last a very long time. Adjustable metal reinforced headband applies minimal pressure and ensuring a comfortable listening experience, even with prolonged use. In at first place the headphone is FiiO EH3 Noise Cancelling Headphone. The EH3 wireless active noise cancelling headphones from FiiO. FiiO's hi-fi audio and high wireless certified, giving you high-quality, low-latency, lossless audio reproduction on the go. With the addition of a two-way, 4-microphone array and an ADI noise-cancelling DSP chip, you can enjoy that audio without distraction. Together they listen for and actively cancel out any incoming ambient sounds that can degrade your listening experience. Already this headphone price is $178.27. In this headphone some outstanding features are: this headphone has professional ADI two-way, 4-microphone array digital noise cancelling technology. Significant noise reduction for travel, work and anywhere in between. Advanced active noise reduction technology quells airplane cabin noise, city traffic or a busy office, makes you focus on what you want to hear. Enjoy your daily work, movies and videos. The noise cancellation function can work well in wireless mode. It has powerful Bluetooth core. The EH3 utilizes the Qualcomm CSR8675 Bluetooth 5.0 flagship, which supports the AAC aptX HD Leader DAC audio codecs to ensure you get the best out of your sound quality. Also, transmission distance and the penetrating power and anti-interference ability have also been improved. It has 45mm large drivers with a double-sided titanium-plated diaphragm, provides you with dynamic and deep bass, accurate bass response. It is built-in 1000 mAh battery, won't allow your headphones power off. 50 hours playtime per full charge at Bluetooth mode, 30-hour playtimes at Bluetooth and active noise cancelling mode. You can enjoy your world without noise for 30 hours long time. Don't need to worry about the power shortage problem on the long travel. It has a smart control system. Control music tracks and volume, activate your voice assistant and take phone calls. Also with FiiO Music app, you can adjust the indicator light, Bluetooth mode and other function. Don't forget to subscribe, and I request you please share this video.